Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to use the Insert Stuff tool to insert Panopto video into your course. Panopto is a video content management system that allows you to quickly and easily create, edit, and share videos with your class. Insert Stuff can be used anywhere you can use the HTML text editor, including the module description, discussions board, quizzes, D2L File, and so on. When you use Insert Stuff, it adds an embedded video player rather than just a link. We will add a video to the module description. In a D2L module, click on where it says Add a Description. When you do, the HTML text editor should appear. Find the Insert Stuff button, which is to the right of the bulleted List button. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Insert Panopto Media. If you have the This Folder's Empty message, you can quickly upload or record videos directly to Panopto by clicking on the respective tabs. Find and choose the video that you want to insert. Then click on the Insert button in the lower right corner. You will be taken to a preview of the video before you insert it. If you are happy with it, click on the Insert button in the lower left corner. This will insert your video in the text editor. Click on the Update button in the lower left corner. Your video will now be in the module description. All students will need to do to play it is hit the play button in the middle of the video. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.